In this video, I'm going to talk about how can you delete your Wombo Dream account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to delete the account, you just simply have to open your Wombo Dream application. And after opening the Wombo Dream application, you will just simply have to select your profile icon from bottom right corner. Just simply tap into that, and after that you are gonna get this gear option into the top right corner. Just simply select the gear option, and after going into gears you will get this settings page. Now into this section you are gonna get this option of delete account at the bottom side. Just simply tap to delete account, and after that it will give you this dialog box which says all published artworks will be deleted along with your account. If you want to continue, you just simply have to tap to delete account. And after doing this very easy steps, your account of Wombo Dream will be deleted. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.